Scammers are going to scam, aren't they? So, welcome back to the workshop. I wish I didn't have to make this video, but I'm going to have to because scammers are forcing my hand at it. This is a public service announcement to anybody out there that follows our channel, that watches our videos, that joins our live streams, or have watched any of the most current videos with the Mr. Volcano gas forge. Right now, there is a scammer that is a WhatsApp scammer that is going around posing as myself and Jessica and claiming that you all have won prizes out there. They don't say what type of prize, magically enough, but they say, you have won a prize, get with me on WhatsApp. And then once you follow through with getting with them on WhatsApp, they are asking for your details. I've been contacted quite relentlessly by a lot of folks who have said, hey, did I win something? Somebody's getting with me? No. The answer is no. We will never, ever ask you to go to an app like WhatsApp or anything else they care to take and pull up. We never announce winners that way. Our winners are announced quite easily in our Friday night giveaway live streams. When we give something away in a live stream, we announce your name in that live stream. You have to be both present to win, and you have got to contact us within 48 hours to claim whatever you won in the live stream. We will never get with you via the comment section ever. Just not doing it. We haven't done it in the last 5 years we've been doing this live stream, and we won't be doing it now or into the future. These stupid scammers, these WhatsApp scammers, they have no clue of this because they're ignorant and it's just a bot. They're just chucking out numbers out there, and I'm sure we're not the only ones being targeted or hit up for this. What do you stand to lose if you click and go through the WhatsApp thing and you get with this scammer? You could potentially lose your identity. You could have that stolen. You could potentially have credit card or bank's info stolen from you. They can mess up a lot of stuff, or maybe even your YouTube channel could get hacked in a way. So do not follow any links that are ever in the comment section. Never follow anybody who's claiming to be us to anywhere besides YouTube. And you will know us by our little icon in Christ-centered Ironworks afterwards. That's how you know that it is us. Right now, we don't qualify yet for the YouTube verified check mark by our name until we get to 100,000 subscribers. So we're not too far away from that now. We're a little over 82,000 subs, but it's going to be a bit before we have that as a yet another indicator that we are that you're actually dealing with us. This scammer has our picture profile that they're posing as, and right after it, it says the channel name as WhatsApp whatever. Let me be clear again. Jessica and I do not have a WhatsApp. We will never be on WhatsApp, and we would never contact you through any apps as well. We're not going to contact you if you win something. You have to contact us and give us your details through the contact email. That is safe. It's a secured way of doing it, and that's why we've done that for the last 5-6 years now that we've been on YouTube. So let me stress this again. We will never contact you through a comment section. Do me a favor. I'm going to leave this video off with asking you to do me a favor. Report these people. When you see them scamming and you see them in every single comment, report them for me. Help a guy out. Report them to YouTube, write them down as malicious spam, and let's get YouTube, get them off their dead butts and get on to this. Jessica has already contacted YouTube customer support and has went through stuff. They opened up a case against this one account, but again, that's going to flag this one account, and they'll probably just going to pop open another account as well, because if they can just sucker a few of you into giving them your personal information, it made it all worth it. So please, again, do not give out your details to anybody online. So yeah, hopefully this video will help some of you. We did a community post about a week ago, and these people have been relentless. I keep trying to delete their comments, and they keep popping up. I keep blocking them. They keep popping back up. So it's been a headache. It's been an absolute nightmare. I have probably deleted at least 300 plus comments in just the last couple days from this account user alone. So please bear with us. No, you didn't win anything. The only way you ever win anything is through our live streams, and you have got to be present to win something. You have got to be actively commenting, and then you have to contact us when your name is announced in the live stream. In order, within 24 hours, you have to contact us in order to actually receive any sort of prize. We will never contact you. So that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching it. I'm sorry I have to make this video. I can't tell you how frustrated I am. And I believe there's a special place in hell for scammers, and I'm not sorry about it. Not in the least bit. I'm sorry that these people exist and suck wind. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching this video. God bless everyone out there. I hope you guys will stay safe and don't click on scammers.